I wasn't sure where Chuck was going when he started talking about these couples, one couple in the front seat and one couple in the back seat. I was thinking, hold on, what kind of content are we talking about?
Hey, good evening, everybody. I am Chuck Rogers, a licensed professional counselor and a licensed marriage and family therapist.
And I'm Keith Dunn, and I am a network engineer.
And together we are Tabletop Coffee, each week talking about how to do life, do it well.
Being bold and never, ever bitter.
Try not to be ever bitter.
No, and tonight we're attempting repair.
Oh, let's do it.
Yeah.
How do you attempt repair?
Yep. Here we go.
I've been wanting to talk about this for a while.
You seem really excited about it.
I do. What is a repair attempt?
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. Since I'm a very imperfect man, married to a very imperfect woman, we had both better be really good at facilitating repair, right?
That's right. That's true.
So that's our job, is to really be good at repair. So, stuff bubbles up. I mean,
right?
Things happen. Somebody will say something. Somebody will do something. Just there, and then the relationship kind of stubs its proverbial toe.
Yeah.
And then you're left with this uncomfortableness.
Yeah, that's true.
So a repair attempt can be defined as this: any behavior or word, serious or silly, that stops the downward spiral of the relationship, pauses it, and allows for some repair to be facilitated.
Okay.
Any behavior, serious or silly, that accomplishes this.
That's great.
So we were in the training for the 7 principles presenter for the Gottmans. I've been through level 1, level 2 training, and I'm a 7 principles presenter as well. And our instructor was telling us about this couple that she and her husband both knew. And she said she and her husband were in the back seat, and the couple friend was in the front seat.
Okay.
The husband was driving, the wife was in the passenger seat, and some thing arose between them.
Okay.
And it was really uncomfortable and quiet, and they were just sitting there. And then all of a sudden, the wife unbuckles her seatbelt, and she leans across and licks the cheek of her husband.
Okay.
And she buckles herself back in and sits there. He then puts his finger in his mouth, sticks it in her ear, gives her a wet willy, and then goes back to driving, and she looks at him and smiles, and he looked at her and smiles, and the mood lifted, and they were good.
Oh my goodness.
So I've never heard a better repair attempt than that one, although I've never used it.
No, I can't say that I have ever used that. I might try that.
I think it's a good idea. I think you should. You should go do this with Lisa.
I'm going
to. And then
to
report back to us and let us know how it went.
I will do that. Wow, wouldn't it be great if I could record it? That might not be too good. But I tell you what, that's really interesting. So I wonder, did they have that set as, okay, if we get into this sticky situation, we do this to break free, or they just did it?
I'm not sure. I mean, other ones, you can do it more subtly, more overtly, and say, hey, can we talk about this? Or I don't like the way this is going. Can we have a conversation about it?
Okay.
Or maybe somebody will bring somebody a cup of coffee, or somebody will say, can I make you some tea? Bring you a favorite dessert or something to begin to facilitate some repair.
Yeah. Or, hey, I just want to let you know I really love you.
Yeah.
Yeah, something simple like that.
It does. But it's got to be that initial turn toward, and somebody is really trying to step in and make a difference.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Man, I really like that. And I wasn't sure where Chuck was going when he started talking about these couples, one couple in the front seat and one couple in the back seat. I was thinking, hold on, what kind of content are we talking about? But facilitating repair, attempting the repair.
Do something.
Yeah, do something. And it doesn't matter whether you're alone with the person that you need to repair with, or if there's somebody else, if there's a way to make that work and kind of break that edge.
Yeah, so if we would really like it if you would make some comments down below and tell us about some repair attempts that you have witnessed or you have been a part of. What is it that you guys do in order to be able to begin that facilitation of repair, to make that pause so that the repair can take place? We would love to hear from you about that.
Yeah, we would. That would be great. And we might share some of them in our next episode, so be sure and put them down below.
Yeah. So if you liked our content, please go ahead and subscribe and ring that bell, right?
Yeah, ring that bell so you're notified of any upcoming episodes that we have coming out.
Make sure to like it.
Yep, share it with your friends.
Thanks, everybody.
Until next time. We left out the gator clap.
Dang. I give you one assignment. Look what
hold on. That is not my assignment. That is not my assignment. I almost never do the gator clap. But I'm going to do it this time. Because doggone, I'm going to make sure it's done. That works.
I know. Hopefully there's something like that in there.
There'll be something. I can line it up.
It's just not as good as the gator clap.
You know why I can line it up? Because I'm just that good.